up? Scorps. Hey man, you mind if I take this thing off? That just feels good. That's nice.
What up, chillers? I'm Sub-Zero.
Having a roommate is great. It's like ever since I've been in between jobs and got my hours cut from Baskin Robbins, like splitting the rent's been awesome.
He's just been posted up at home, eating all the snacks. He ain't paid a dime of rent in the last 6 months. So someone's got to pay the rent. So I don't know the last time you traveled to the Netherrealm and back, but man, it'll make you hungry. So threw in an order for a pizza, Pizza Luce, my favorite spot. Coming home, just pumped up for that za. And what do I see when I get in?
Pizza showed up and Subs was out doing something and I didn't want the pizza to get cold, so I ate it.
Why would I want a hot pizza? I'm Sub-Zero, baby. Ice it down.
Did I know it was his pizza? No.
Did you order a pizza? Don't think so. You have no money.
I got tired of him talking smack about me, so I just grabbed the nearest thing, which happened to be the pizza box, and I said, "Eat this!" Then he froze the TV and just saved my life. Man, what a great roommate. I really owe him one.
I mean, actually, I was really just trying to save the TV. Those chicken feet, man, they don't hold up anything.
After that, I was feeling pretty lucky, so I checked my magic 8-ball. Naturally, I went and cashed in my last check from Baskin Robbins and spent it on the TV feed. I only have $3 left, but hey, worth it. Best purchase of my life.
You know, now that the TV's stable, I think our relationship's starting to come around. If you have an open job and you're looking for an undead ninja specter with hot hands and a really good heart, you know, hit him up.